So really quick, guys, I'm gonna make this short and simple, but this is taking off the magnets to the side stand sensor. And I'm gonna show you the two different sensors that you're able to buy depending on the year of your 690. This one right here, see, it's magnetized. It's pretty cool. Anyways, I took this off. This was like this. I'm gonna put the mounting bolt back on because I always like having extra bolts just in case something happens, and these type of hex head bolts are universal for KTMs and Huskies. So I'm gonna leave that on and I'm gonna tighten it down so I know that I have an extra bolt there in case another bolt falls off somewhere that's compatible. That's me though. You guys can do it the way you want. Anything you guys choose to do, I respect that. Good job. And then the next one now is removing this one here. And then just a heads up, it's a lot more easier to do it on the opposite side of the bike than the side stand. Just giving you the heads up, it's really good. You can see it from the other side. I tried it from this side and I tried to poke my head in and yeah, I couldn't do it. So now we're gonna remove that one. Then on the opposite side of the bike, this is the little harness. It's a 3-prong with 690s, I think 2018 or older, up to 21. Mine's a 21. You get 1, 2, 3 inline sensor. And then with the little screwdriver, obviously you could lift that tab and pop it off. This is your inline sensor to your kickstand. Now, I'll be back and show you the two different sensors you're gonna wanna look out for depending for the year. As you guys can see, I removed the bolt. The box is just dangling there. Really quick coming back. There's my sensor, halfway pulled out. I'm getting there. We'll finish pulling it out. And we're back, fellas, and this is the sensor that pops up as soon as you search the kickstand sensor. Notice how it's a triangle shape. It's not the inline. So for a 2021, this is not it. For the other models that are older, this is what you're looking for. It's good to always go on the side of the bike, look at the shape of the harness, and you could, there's only 2 of them. It's triangle shape, or Vanash sells a really good sensor. It's a little pricey, but I mean, it's pretty durable, man. It's looks pretty well made. And they sell the inline sensor. For a 21 KTM 690, I take it for a 701 as well. This is the sensor you want. Nobody tells you this. This is something that you kind of learn the hard way. Why? Because, yeah, I purchased this one because that's the first one that actually pops up without even looking at the sensor. This was only $4 off of the eBay store. This one is about 89 and some change plus shipping, yada yada, $92 and something cents. It's a little pricey. I already made sure it was the only wire holding this sensor. All right, fellas, and then this is what you're getting. There's your kickstand sensor wire and harness, etc., etc. So then get your tools, and then all we're gonna do, 3-prong harness, is connect this where it needs to go, just like that. It slides right in, plugs right in, and then I'm gonna zip tie it and tuck it in through the frame just like this. Now, warning, they tell you this sensor replacement should only be used temporarily, just so you guys know. Temporarily, to get you out of a pinch. You should always have this harness connected for safety reasons, because you never want to engage the bike in gear while your kickstand's down. That could promote a dangerous situation for you. Yeah, I'm good, but you guys can do what you want. All right, there it is. Remember, once again, not this one for 2021, but you could buy the Vanash one for, it's a little pricey, but still it works. It's gonna get you what you want, and no more kickstand sensor problems. Let's give it one more check.